Hi there, it's Adam at Fordington's in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 67 plate Volkswagen Sharan 2 litre TDI, and it's a DSG automatic MPV, facing the grey with a really nice alloy wheels, grey metallic. Onto the back, front and rear sensors. If I had it open, the unlock that, and then just a push of the button, electric power tailgate, 7 seats in the back. What I have there is the built-in child seat headrest for one of these seats. That you've got a great space at the boot, and then even a good size with the 2 seats in the back up, so you can be able to see all the images of the vehicle. And just there, one press of that, electric power tailgate. The side doors, also you can see with that gap, these will automatically go back. Got a mix between the leather and the Alcantara suede cloth. Very clean inside. Push button just on the inside, beeps, and then that opens, closes, sorry. Just over 37,300 miles. Touchscreen with SAT-NAV, DAB radio. We've also got Apple CarPlay, aircon, front heated seats, and the panoramic glass roof, which does open as well. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch. I will look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now. Bye.